Alright, buddy of mine pointed out here that with my Mosfet I'm using, I am increasing the voltage here, and you can see there's a point where that yellow is my Mosfet input, and you can see how it gets really, really dirty there.
Yeah.
Like really, really dirty. So that may be a problem of the Mosfet I'm using, because once I get up to a certain voltage is when that happens. I may need a different Mosfet to handle better power, faster operation, but it's definitely something I want to look into.
This is Stan's Revenge.
Need to find a way to eliminate the noise on this primary winding. I've got the oscilloscope hooked up to the D output on the Mosfet that's going into the transformer primary, and you can see, really good video here, voltage up, that's about 2 volts right there. Dip, major noise. We get up to 3 volts here, just a bunch of static. 5 volts is just absolute trash. Look at all that dirty noise. I need to find a way to eliminate this. Frequency up, same deal. I want to show you the noise I'm getting. Yellow is my PWM controller. Purple is the D out on the Mosfet. And as I get the voltage up here, 2 volts, 3 volts. You can see from right here, about 4 volts. We have intense noise building up on that thing till it expands the entire pulse off period. It's about 8 volts right there. See that grow? You need to know why that is and how we get rid of it. I think this is my configuration. I moved it, I had to move it back. What is that? 10 ohm from the primary positive diode in. Also on the primary is a diode in. Looping from this 20 ohm resistor, which is a loop back from the negative. So the positive, we have that one resistor going in with the diode. On the negative, we have a loop back coming into this 20 ohm resistor into a diode back into the positive, so it circulates that power, noise, etc. Also, we do have a ground, that white cable coming over here to a little capacitor. .47. I think these are 0.73 microfarad, so 473 nano, I believe.